Angela, you need some time to get ready. Are you ready to go?
Ready.
All right. This is cause number 655345, State of Texas versus Francisco Cantu. This is the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court, Track 1, pretrial diversion, plea and probation agreement. The first document I have on this case is entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. It purports to have both Mr. Cantu and Ms. Blake's signature on it. In fact, Mr. Cantu, is this your signature on this document, sir? And right now your microphone is turned off, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow. Okay, good. And Ms. Blake, as attorney for Mr. Cantu, is this also your signature on this document?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
That was a question for me, Mr. Cantu.
Oh, I'm sorry. My hearing, my bad.
No problem, sir. We're all good. And Angela, this is your signature, correct?
Correct.
Thank you. The next document I have is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonitions, that purports to have Mr. Cantu's signature on the back, effectively waiving certain constitutional rights he must waive in order to enter a plea before this court. In fact, Mr. Cantu, is this your signature on this document also, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. By signing this document, are you telling me that you've had enough time to either read this document or have it read to you in its entirety? If you had any questions about what was on this document, those questions were answered to your satisfaction by your attorney. So that in signing this document, you're telling me that you agree with and understand everything on this document. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Blake, as attorney for Mr. Cantu, have you had enough time to go over this case with him? And in your opinion, is he mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Cantu, are you a United States citizen, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Blake, has the state fully complied with discovery for you on this case?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, let's see what we're doing. And state, this is the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court Track 1 case, correct? Are you making a motion on a Track 1 case?
Yes, Your Honor. We moved to waive the greater than 0.15 enhancement.
Okay, in this particular case, obviously I don't know the facts, but normally on Track 1 cases, whatever their greater offense is, that's what's being held in abeyance. We don't make plea bargains with them. But in
Yes,
this case, we'll let it go through, no problem. So, no objection from the defense, that will be granted. Therefore, Mr. Cantu in cause 655345 to the charge of driving while intoxicated, first offense. How do you plead, sir?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Court accepts your plea of guilty, holds it in abeyance, places you on 1 year Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court Track 1 pretrial conversion, assessing a $1,000 all-inclusive Veterans Treatment Court fee, 48 hours of community service, probating all that based on your military service, DWI education, DWI victim impact panel, 6 months Smart Start mobile home interlock device at 4 blows a day, outpatient drug treatment with either the Veterans Administration or another designated VTC provider. No restitution in this case, hopefully, state, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, great. Requiring your successful completion of the Veterans Treatment Court, issue judge's bond, defendant to be supervised by CSCD and VTC staff. At this time, Mr. Cantu, I'm looking at a document entitled Track 1 Pretrial Intervention, which is a contract signed between you and your attorney in the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court, or District Attorney's Office, excuse me. Said contract setting out all the terms and prerequisites of your successful completion of the Veterans Treatment Court. In fact, sir, is this your signature on this document also, Mr. Cantu?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Blake, as attorney for Mr. Cantu, is this also your signature on this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Reed, I see a signature of an alleged Assistant Criminal District Attorney Everardo Villarreal. Can you vouch for him in some capacity, his credentials, and that he's real?
Yes, Your Honor. He is a real assistant district attorney with the Bexar County's District Attorney's Office.
Right, we're all good now. We got you on contract. And Mr. Cantu, what'd you do in the military, sir?
I start off as information systems and converted into combat comm.
Wow. And what years were you in the military?
From 1994 to 2011 when I was medically retired.
Gotcha. Okay, thanks for your service, sir. Anything further
Thank
from
you.
the defense on Mr. Cantu?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Blake. Thank you, Mr. Cantu. And Mr. Cantu, you're going to get a call from Ron Mora, I think, sometime this afternoon to assist you in getting set up for your in-programming stuff. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.